The blue economy refers to the sustainable use and management of ocean resources to drive economic growth, while preserving the health of marine ecosystems. The concept emerged in 2012, when Gunter Pauli published his book, The Blue Economy, 10 Years, 100 Innovations, 100 Million Jobs, which proposed a new model of development based on a closed-loop, regenerative, and circular economy. Since then, the blue economy has gained traction among policymakers, entrepreneurs, and investors as a way to reconcile economic development with environmental protection. The blue economy encompasses a wide range of sectors and activities, including fisheries and aquaculture, maritime transport, renewable energy, biotechnology, tourism, and coastal infrastructure. These sectors have the potential to create jobs, generate revenues, and enhance the well-being of coastal communities, but also face significant challenges related to overfishing, pollution, climate change, and governance. One of the key principles of the blue economy is to promote the use of renewable and sustainable resources, such as seaweed, algae, and shellfish, instead of depleting and polluting ones. For example, seaweed can be used as a source of food, fertilizer, biofuel, and carbon sequestration, while also providing habitat for marine species and improving water quality. Similarly, shellfish farming can enhance marine biodiversity, filter water, and provide a source of protein, without relying on feed, antibiotics, or hormones. Another principle of the blue economy is to adopt a circular economy approach, where waste is minimized, and resources are reused or recycled. For instance, fish waste can be converted into fish meal, which can be used as feed for other fish or animals, or as fertilizer for crops. Similarly, plastic waste can be transformed into fuel or building materials, or be collected and reused through extended producer responsibility schemes. The blue economy also recognizes the importance of preserving and restoring marine ecosystems, which are essential for maintaining the health of the ocean and the planet. This involves protecting biodiversity, reducing pollution, mitigating climate change, and promoting sustainable fisheries management. For example, the establishment of marine protected areas can help to safeguard vulnerable species and habitats, while also supporting sustainable tourism and recreational activities. However, the blue economy faces several challenges that need to be addressed in order to realize its full potential. One of these challenges is the lack of effective governance and regulation, particularly in developing countries, where illegal fishing, overexploitation, and marine pollution are rampant. This requires strengthening the capacity of national and regional institutions to monitor, control, and enforce environmental laws and regulations. Another challenge is the need for financing and investment, particularly for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, that operate in the blue economy sectors. Many SMEs face difficulties in accessing credit, equity, and technical assistance, which limits their growth and innovation potential. To overcome this challenge, innovative financing mechanisms, such as impact investment, green bonds, and crowdfunding, can be used to mobilize private capital and support SMEs. Both developed and developing countries can benefit from the blue economy, as it offers opportunities for economic growth, job creation, poverty reduction, and environmental sustainability. In fact, developing countries often have a comparative advantage in some blue economy sectors, such as fisheries, aquaculture, and marine renewable energy, due to their rich natural resources, low labor costs, and proximity to large markets. For example, many developing countries rely heavily on fisheries and aquaculture for food security, income generation, and export earnings. The blue economy can help these countries to enhance the productivity, quality, and value of their fisheries and aquaculture sectors, while also reducing the negative impacts on marine ecosystems. This can be achieved through better management practices, technology adoption, value chain integration, and market diversification. Similarly, developing countries can tap into the potential of marine renewable energy, such as wave, tidal, and offshore wind power, to meet their growing energy demand, reduce their reliance on fossil fuels, and contribute to global climate change mitigation efforts. This requires investment in infrastructure, research, and human capacity building, but also offers opportunities for technology transfer, innovation, and knowledge sharing. Moreover, the blue economy can support the development of sustainable tourism and coastal infrastructure, which can generate employment and income opportunities for local communities, while also preserving the natural and cultural heritage of coastal areas. This requires balancing the demands of tourism with the conservation of biodiversity, the protection of cultural rights, and the provision of basic services and infrastructure. However, Developing countries also face several challenges in harnessing the potential of the blue economy, such as inadequate infrastructure, weak governance, limited access to finance and technology, and vulnerability to climate change impacts. These challenges require concerted efforts from governments, private sector, civil society, and international organizations to address the root causes and build resilient and inclusive blue economy ecosystems.